Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Firefox browser on your Samsung Galaxy M53. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here start searching for an app. Write Firefox Browser. And hit the search button. Select this app, click install. And after installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, customize it by changing the theme, so you can pick light, dark or automatic. You can change your placement, turbo placement from bottom or top. Always on privacy settings from standard to strict. Sign up in order to synchronize multiple devices that are using Firefox browser and read privacy notice. After all that, click start browsing and from here you'll be able to open any website and the browser app should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.